Welcome aboard. You are now rocking with Team Shawty J, baby. Texting first, cursing to fucking in person. She learned all my verses. Am I even thinking? I mean, what have I been thinking? Started with holding hands that turned into freaking, to smoking and drinking. Do this every evening. Am I even thinking? I mean, what have I been thinking? Yeah, you wanna know what Shawty thinking? Fuck around and get you up in the kitchen and pick you up and put you on the counter, let your ass sink in. Put you in the seat, best believe I've been thinking. Can I be one of the luckiest alive? Would you be there for me even if I was to die? Talk about writing love letters forcing me to cry. When it becomes this real, nothing ever could divide. First couple of words you ever threw at me was to roll up and get high, so the first thing I'ma do is cut the blood. When I'm stretching out your butt, give me what you want, I ain't even asked for it. They say beggars can't be choosers, don't regret a thing for what you gave me, instantly attack the bitch. Both of us were stripping off the cannabis. Stop filling me up, claiming an accident. If I was you, I wouldn't be running them out, cause I could get up in there and show you what I really taste like. Why you wanna go mention the herbs and spice? I'm trying to give you what you deserve tonight. Man, I've been thinking, have you been thinking about me? Cause I've been thinking about you, my ears been ringing. No cell phone, no beeper, I believe her when I see her. I'm not a superhero, but if I was, I would have enough power to take over your whole goddamn life. I'ma have to give it up, call it quits. Fed up with this bullshit, man, I'm pissed. Can't believe I've been thinking about this stupid bitch. Hold up, excuse my language. You know I'll be harder than stainless. Still, that's just what I've been thinking. Texting first, cursing to fucking in person. She learned all my verses. Am I even thinking? I mean, what have I been thinking? Started with holding hands that turned into freaking, to smoking and drinking. Do this every evening.